I'm starting off today's video in a small town called Cullinan.
Don't wait us down. Don't be way up. Don't wait us down. Don't be way up. Oh yeah, baby. Don't wait us down. Do let you paint you down.
Guys, it's so hot and I never had enough sleep. We actually came on a mini breakfast run. I don't know if you guys can see the M392 right there and the G80 right behind it. That's the exact same G80 that I reviewed in a previous video. Of course the wheels are different, but I'm gonna be driving that car today. We actually stopped at Harry's Pancakes. We're actually having breakfast at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside and eat my breakfast because I'm starving. And I'll catch you guys in the next shot. I forgot to tell you guys, I miss you guys. I've been out for quite a while because I've been a bit busy, guys. But yeah, let's just go eat breakfast. Let's go. So we just got done eating, guys. My stomach is so full. I ate a caramel and banana waffle. M2 competition just pulled up, so we're gonna have some fun, guys. I don't know what's the next location. I might just give you guys some point of view shots of me driving in the car, guys. But yeah, on to our next location. Let's go. Guys, we are in the car. I'm actually driving the G80 like I said, and there's an M2 competition in front of me. Another M3 and the E92, guys. It's quite loud in here, not gonna lie. The valves of the exhaust is open. So yeah, it's quite a nice trip. We got a Bentley that just flew past, guys. There's a lot of other cars on this road. We're on our way to Harvey Beer Spot, guys. The roads are sick. The view is crazy and everything is amazing here, guys. I did say I'm gonna get a point of view for you guys. The thing is, I forgot my chest mount in the boot, guys, and we're driving at high speeds. I'm not gonna stop on the side of the road just to take out my chest mount, guys. I mean, the side of the road, guys, is quite high, so it's a bit dangerous to stop, you know. Just look at this view, guys. Look at the mountain, look at the cars going around the bend. This is incredible, guys, incredible.
A few moments later.
So we're approaching a tunnel, guys. I'm gonna make some noise for you guys. M2 comp in front, so we're gonna get also noise from there. Quick rev for you guys. How is that, guys? My eardrums burst for sure. I'm 100% sure about that. But yeah, let's carry on with the run, guys. So we just stopped, guys. I think we parked on the side of the road. I don't know why though, but we just parked on the side of the road. There's all 4 cars. I think we're gonna head home now. This video was exciting for me, of course. This type of breakfast runs are not for me. While I'm driving, it's a different story because I can't be all over the show with my camera and whatever. But yeah, I'm sorry for the short video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, goodbye.